Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix VWO login problems, campaign and account errors step by step clearly. To resolve VWO login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection before proceeding. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email and password for any typos. If you're still unable to log in, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once you receive the reset email, create a new password. After changing your password, attempt to log in again with the new credentials. If the problem persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Access your browser settings to remove stored data. Following that, try logging in using a different web browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can affect the login process. You may also want to disable any browser extensions temporarily. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website functionality. If you have multiple VWO accounts, ensure you are on the correct account page. Confirm that your account is active and not suspended. In case of account suspension, contact VWO support for assistance. Additionally, check for any service outages reported by VWO. You can check their status page or community forums for updates. If all else fails, reach out to VWO's customer support directly for help. Provide them with details about your login issue for quicker resolution. Document any error messages you encountered during login attempts. This information can assist the support team in diagnosing the issue. Follow these steps methodically to resolve your VWO login problems efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.